Here's how to update BlueStacks 5 to the latest version. Open BlueStacks and wait for it to fully load to the home screen. If you have any Android apps running, save your progress in case an update requires a restart. Click the gear icon in the side toolbar or top right corner to open Settings. Inside Settings, click About on the left sidebar. This shows your current BlueStacks version and build details. Click Check for Updates. BlueStacks will contact its update server and search for the latest release matching your edition. This can take a few seconds. If an update is available, you will see a prompt with details and an option to download and install it. Go ahead and proceed, then let BlueStacks handle the rest automatically. During the update, avoid closing the program or shutting down your PC, as it may need to restart itself to complete the installation. Once it relaunches, return to the About section to confirm the version number has updated. If you are already on the latest version, no action is needed. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.